Kissing Sono. Tini sing ATISA the Motha Tongmani student organization. IPF Tini kaisa allied organization banner Tolawo Tongmani. Sing Tini hai salo sing Subai Rikha. Sinoro Buskango Joto Central Committee member Tongawatin President LGS. Tai Committee Central Committee. Thanayo sing committee hoite sing kaisa meeting Baikha student organization hoite Central Committee meeting. I executive committee was division like Joto entire 21 divisions. Tai Central Committee Joto existence. Tongai Rob Aron Sidan Tona like sing Buskang ni movement. Tai TIPRA no Baikha Tumlani but greater TIPRA no Baikha acquire Khanani. Abono toine sing alosona khlaimani bisingo sing abono lukha Maharajani leadership ni bisingtei sing abo sobo mona tongo aboni bagainai sing tini ni simi sing ATISA result painai sebagai sing ketar Motha ba TIPRA Motha sing join disinai tai kebang Motha romo ba angko kobuna musungo cikon tongnai rono sing under Bubagra ni bising tike sing Thansa ni bising tike maidomo sing agiro sing Saimalia Baksa Borok Bujilia Umi Tongmano Aborongno Pesha one subine sing greater Thansa ni bagai greater interest di perasaan ni bagai joton abu gue pakai saw abono ani musungmu abu simia sini tinang ni sini bobishot no sing nasi tangkangke sing kuno jalati pano sing koton hojangna ni motor kurei Sini Bubagra no kare Bubagra ka kaisa khani Bubagra kaisa sinang ni bagene sini TIPRA ni bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khlai kyang ka se mungsa kaisa se sing mana abono sing bisas khainai sing ATISA ro abu pai dene o salo sing IPF de TIPRA Motha ni thani sing join khaite asuma
Not for IPF balance, IPF
Sung already sung sini meeting of this naka IPF kini bising of sung saklai jak tongo sini bising of pok tongo abo no sung salai ne sung sidan tokrai ne sung pai.
So you say you are joining with from over there. Previously you were working with IPF. Do you think the leaders from the IPF failed to meet the demand which was raised 3 to 5 years back while they contested in the 2018 election? Also the recent elections in the TIPRA where we have seen the youth have come in support of TIPRA. So do you think these two reasons are why you have joined the TIPRA?
That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the IPFT worked tirelessly for the liberation of TIPRA land for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by IPFT. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the TIPRA inquire or in which place we to settle. On that occasion, we observed that is a curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest. For any upliftment of our TIPRA, we need the movement that need to secure so early. So IPFT can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay, or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just left it.
So your comment was saying that IPF has failed reservation to fulfill its demands, TIPRA land.
Yeah, of course, that every one of the TIPRA people they know that the IPFT demand has become declining day by day, and due to that we compelled to join to another organization so that we need to upgrade more movement for the betterment of the TIPRA. and for the liberation of Greater TIPRA land or Greater TIPRA land as well.
How are you looking forward to work with TIPRA Motha?
Pardon? I can't.
How are you looking forward to work with your team with TIPRA Motha?
I hope so under the banner of the Bubagra. We hope so there will be a unique and there will be a sensational in viewpoint and further in future also. And we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity. Aro student na tona organization da to aga yuto da tona abo sun kuno saimia ko
do no rung ideology se kamai sun ni kalai kalai
sini ideology sini Bubagra no all round sun surrender khaika je jagawo suno bo tam khlaina nu sung abno no gubon thani ya pare ne bo yuto da roho bo student organization da roho to bo kai sun kaisa kuno kaisa committee khaipa no sun kaisa greater movement on Tangani, Basini, the target of Tangani organization, I will not police joyful.
At the Kaisoma, I think you don't get on the German, the Berlin man and the Polish woman, they come and one stop, and one thing is the Bubagra.
Tini Abono Sungani Musuo, I paid the Dr. Boron of Saivano, Sungan Musumani Fox. I paid Pino Nashiki Dr. Boron of Phaikha, Hansaka. Tiaba Hansani Uporos and Bubagra response Phaikha, Dr. Boron assemble Phaikha, Tiaba I paid the Durbago, Mide, Hansani Malia, Aros and Blaine of Buka, Udrumudrumsa. More BJP by Tongishan, Tipralen, Manaida, Abosin Buka confusion. Nakai Judino Sun, Sorcaro Tomine, Judino Market on Nakai, Sini Dimano Sun, Sukumai or Mani no Saku. Nakai Jeto Sin Habuagra Tongo. Bonizi agi bo ot dimano hamdeli tabu ad diman joto tiprasa ronga naishigine bo abuno rice klaika tiprasa hamkai ni bogine ka sing abuno naishigine bini bisinti ke sing join klaika aka bono klaimana na haima on sugine sing boro join
I think you might sound good kind of Sinanga, I feel to Toma, I want to know.
abo bong ni bepa IBF party ni abo sing saya wi yogo borong ideology boro alada boro one sunai boro strategy boro alada party